Un o gefnogwyr Tommy Robinson oedd yn y rali yn Llundain ydy Darren Edmundson, cynfilwr o Gymru. Mae rhai yn ei nabod fel y Pembrokeshire Patriot. Roedd Darren yn un o rhai blaenllaw yn y protestiadau yn erbyn cartrefi i geiswyr lloches ym Mhen Alun yng Ngorllewin Cymru.
We're doing you a favour, stopping them coming in.
Mae wedi cytuno cyfarfod fi yn y gwersyll mae o'n helpu ei redeg i gynfilwyr. Yn ystod y protestiadau ym Mhen Alun, fe dyfodd diddordeb Darren yn ideoleg asgell Eithafol.
Dwi'n gwybod mae'n mynd i ddeud lot o bethau dwi ddim yn cytuno gyda, llawer o bethau dyw y cynulleidfa sydd yn gwylio ddim yn cytuno gyda, ond mae'n rhan o'r stori yma ac i fi fel newyddiaduraig, mae'n bwysig i fi gallu cael yr access yma, gallu siarad gyda pobl yma a gallu holi nhw a herio nhw. Darren.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for having me.
No problem.
You got a lot of Union Jacks around.
Yeah, we're patriotic.
Where's the Welsh flag, Darren?
There is a Welsh flag in there. to be honest, I was going to put a Welsh flag with
I know, I just thought you'd have got the Welsh flag out.
I have got a Welsh flag, yeah. Do you want me to get it out in a bit, shall we?
Oh, yeah. Chwarae teg.
Dydy Darren ddim yn credu fod cynfilwyr yn cael digon o gefnogaeth.
There's no help at all, and especially with the immigration, when they're coming in and getting 3-4-star hotels. Well, how do you think our veterans feel? We're being put at the bottom of the list and it's not there.
Mae rhai yn honni fod y gwersyll yma'n hwb i ideoleg y Eithafol, ond yn ôl Darren, mae cynfilwyr yn dod yma i fwynhau gweithgareddau awyr agored.
When the veterans come, some of them might want to do some shooting, for example, because they've done that in the military.
Yeah, just we've got a target down the bottom there, and we'll just have a bit of fun, really. And you know, we do bushcraft down the bottom, and there's rabbits and stuff like that. We skin rabbits and.
I don't think I'm going to do that today.
No, we're not going to do that. No.
I wouldn't say I'm wholly comfortable with guns.
It's seen better days, this. We do usually put some pictures up, but I won't say who.
Go on, tell me. Give me one name of a.
I'd like to put Keir Starmer on there.
Would you?
Yeah, I don't like him. Yeah. Do you want to go?
Come on then.
Go on, you got this. You got it as well. Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
I feel like I'm back in America. Although in America it'd be a real gun, so.
Yeah, of course.
Obviously rather different.
Yeah.
Would you prefer it to be a real gun?
I wouldn't mind having a go.
When was it that you started to get interested in sort of more politics?
So I left the army. I was homeless and I couldn't get housing. I was on the waiting list forever and ever. I reached out for help. Then Penally Camp came along. They moved the soldiers that were trading on there into Manabia, into tents to house these migrants. And we don't know who these people are. We don't know their backgrounds. So what my concern was for the safety of our children and our community.
Ar ôl y brotest ym Mhen Alun, cafodd Darren ei roi ar gynllun Prevent, cynllun sy'n gweithio hefo pobl sydd mewn peryg o gael ei radicaleiddio.
He said, do a fact check before you post something, because some of the stuff you post isn't correct. I'm like, yeah, but some things you're going to say that, and they're going to move from the internet because they don't want the truth being out there. So it's quite hard to.
So he was warning you against spreading misinformation.
Yeah.
Did you accept his warning?
No.
So you carried on spreading misinformation.
But well, is it misinformation?
I don't know. That's
No.
what, that's
No.
what, yeah. You strike me as a guy who doesn't shy away from any questions. So I'm gonna challenge you and ask you any question.
Okay.
I think you seem quite comfortable.
Okay.
In debate. Am I right?
Yeah, I'm all right. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you know, I'm playing devil's advocate.
Okay.
So tell me. Obviously, immigration is a big thing. Tell me what else concerns you about the UK and the sort of society now.
Well, I think it's not safe to be on our streets. Look at the stabbings in Southport. Look at all these terrorist attacks that are happening. I'm not saying that the white people don't do it, but if they weren't here, there would have been a lot less crime, I think.
Do you think you're racist now?
No. I could turn around and say I'd rather house a veteran than a migrant, and then someone on Facebook go, you're a racist. Is that racist to say that?
Do people think that you're using this camp to spread?
There is rumours out there that it's a far-right hub.
Is it?
But No, it's not a far-right hub, no. Well, not all veterans are centre. Some veterans can be lefty, some veterans can be right.
Muslim veterans?
Yeah.
Can they come? Can they come and...
We have coloured people come down here. My right-hand man is black.
I'm not sure
Half-caste.
people would like to be called coloured or half-caste these days.
Why?
It's derogatory. People don't like to be called.
What does it? How?
Why use?
Black people call each other yeah, and.
Okay, don't say that word.
No, I'm just saying they do.
Okay.
They do.
But what I'm saying is, you don't need to use that language.
I don't use it.
But you just said.
If someone called me white, it wouldn't bother me.
Right, but that's because it's not a derogatory term. We don't need to use. You don't need to use derogatory terms.
I think they're just using that and putting it in place to cause a divide because that's what the government do.
Do you consider yourself an extremist?
No, and the reason why I say that is because I did the pre-event course, and it all got dropped, and they classed me as not a threat and not far right and I wasn't an extreme.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for coming. Much appreciated.
Enjoyed the conversation.
Yeah, and we did. Yeah, and the debate.
Especially the debate.
Yeah.
All right. See you again. Thank you.
See you later, guys.
See you.